Today, me and my colleague, we developed a mobile app prototype for surgeons. Okay, so the purpose of this application is to help surgeons to manage their time because they have very limited time, and it gives them access to information, quick access to crucial data that they need before the surgery and after the surgery, maybe in the future if they want to review their surgeries. So here is where we add a new patient. We enter the information that we need. So it's fully mobile, responsive. So those are information that are crucial for surgeons. I don't know the details. It was on the specifications. Okay, so here we click save. We added this, and then we can also edit one of the fields, so we can go at the end here and mark it as completed, that the surgery has been completed, and save it, and then it's gonna go at the bottom of the page, so we keep the pending ones on the top.
Bravo! Bravo! Questions? Vous avez choisi, you chose to do a responsive website as opposed to an app. What's the trigger for the decision, and what's the rationale behind?
Well, I used a framework that you can make an application very quickly, and it gives you the opportunity to build it as a native app with just a click of a button. So the framework that I used can build with a click of the button for Android and iOS.
Autre question? Merci beaucoup. Merci pour le beau travail.